Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can design this product banner in Photoshop. So start by making a new canvas and let's make a circle first of all, and apply a gradient overlay of this dark yellow and light yellow color, and this circle will be our product highlight, and let's draw another circle behind it to make it look more attractive, and make a rectangle and paste it behind our first circle and remove unnecessary parts. So the next is make a new rectangle and resize it, make another rectangle again, resize it and place it in the middle. So now let's add our logo on the top right corner, and our basic design is completed. And let's add text and product images. Let's make a button by making a new rectangle and add the drop shadow on it. Let's make it more visible. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this.